Yes, authority is given to the COMSEC to flash the pictures being referred to. Who will provide the context of the picture? Is it going to be Engineer Hernandez or Engineer Mendoza?
Your Honor, this picture was taken in the place of our friends. So, there are, meron pong kasunod na picture yan na makikita nyo po na puro pera lang ang laman.
No, maybe you can identify the people in the picture first so that we can have more context. Who are the personalities involved, and are these personalities named by anyone in the course of the inquiry already? Sino po yung mga nasa litrato?
There are previous employees of Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po itong mga ito? Mga pangalan, kailangan po magbigay ng pangalan.
Dating Assistant District Engineer po Rafaelito Marcelo, dati pong Maintenance Chief Ernesto Daos, Planning Chief Ernesto Galang, Administrative Officer Evelyn De Jesus, Chief Ruben Santos ng Materials and Testing, at yung accountant po namin na si Chief Jun Mendoza, at saka si District Engineer Henry Alcantara po, ang aming boss, at saka po si
Mr. Chair.
si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Would it be possible kung may isa-isa, kaya bang ma-point yung mga faces on the screen?
Okay na yan siguro. I think everyone, the names had been stated already. It's okay, Congresswoman Ko. Thank you. Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, we have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
We have to
sorry.
state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa 10th po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities? Please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara, and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please.
So,
So what is the context of this picture for the benefit of people that are looking? Can you describe who had taken this picture, and kindly explain the context, please?
kung maalala ko po, ako po ang nagpicture nito. Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera. First time ko po yan. Kaya pinicturean ko, natuwa po ako. And po, that's for inaayos po ni boss yan.
Mr.
For-
Chair, sino yung taong yun na naka-blue?
Can you state for the record, sino po yung napicturean na nakatayo sa harap po ng mga pera?
Yung half body po, si Boss Henry Alcantara ko po yan.
Okay. Kanino binigay ang pera, Mr. Chair? Kanino binigay ang perang yan?
Sorry. Sige, pakikwento po muna yung, what is the context of this picture?
Yan po, ang context po niyan is, kung makikita niyo po, magkakahiwalay po yung pera. May mga designated person po na pagbibigyan yan, Your Honor.
So,
Can he name them kung sino pagbibigyan ng mga perang yan?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
sino po daw yung pagbibigyan ng mga pera po na yan, supposedly?
Ito na nga po yung sinasabi ni boss na sa mga
Alright, next picture please.
Chair. Pwede lang po maklarify saan ang lugar at anong date ng picture na yan.
Saan daw po yung lugar at saan yung date?
sa office po namin yan sa Bulacan First District Engineering Office.
Okay, napakalinaw po. May limpak-limpak na salapi sa district office mismo.
Kailan?
No? At kailan?
I believe mga 2022 po or 2023 yan.
Alright.
Something like
Chair, meron namang mga paraan para ma-determine yung precise
Yeah.
date, di ba?
I
Yung
think we will get
metadata
the
nung-
metadata of
Yes,
this
importante
for
po yun.
submission.
At
Yes.
to clarify, pasensya na po, to clarify lang po, normal po ba sa opisina ng gobyerno, ng DPWH, na merong ganyang files of cash sa mga transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please
Sa mga
respond.
regular na transaksyon ng gobyerno?
Please respond, Mr. Engineer Hernandez, please.
sa
All right. Just answer, please. Then
office-
we will proceed.
sa office po namin normal po 'yan.
Okay, next picture, please.
Mr. Chair, just to clarify, Mr. Chair,
Okay, Congressman
Pakita nga
Sutay.
isang picture po.
kay Engineer Bryce, yung on the lower right portion ng picture, can we go back to the
Pakibalik
picture?
daw po.
Yan, may papel, yung bond paper.
Opo.
Yung bond paper sa may nakasulat. Yan. Ano yan? Rundown ng project ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, mayroon akong tanong kanina.
All right.
Sinabi niya,
Next picture, please.
sinabi niya na mayroong nakatoka na tatanggap niyan. Gusto kong malaman kung sino ang mga taong dapat tumanggap niyan. Alam niya eh.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung sino, basta kami po inuutusan lang po na ayusin yung mga pera. Itong amount na to para sa ganito, ihanda mo dyan, may pagbibigyan yan. Ganun lang po, sinesegregate po namin yung mga pera. Yun lang po. And the rest, kagaya nga po ng sabi ko, is ang
Yan,
politiko
look
po,
at that.
ang politiko or yung proponent po, si Boss Henry lang po ang kausap.
Okay,
Ano
next
yan?
picture.
Mr. Chair, para ba yan sa project?
Next picture. Can we explain?
Mr. Chair,
Well,
para
Congressman
ba yan sa
Abante.
project o sa tao? Bibigay ba yan sa tao o para sa project yan?
Yes.
Please respond.
As far as my knowledge is concerned, ibibigay po yan sa tao. Yung nga pong tinatawag na proponent, nakausap niya.
For that particular picture, alam po ba natin kung sino ang pagbibigyan?
To be honest, Your Honor, hindi ko po matandaan na. Kasi
Alright.
that's way back a couple of years ago na.
Okay, this is a next picture with another set of piles of cash. Ano po yung context nitong litrato pong ito?
Ito po, kung ipinakita nyo, yung nakita po na pinakaunang pictures na marami pong tao, this is the same exact place. So, ibig ko pong sabihin dito, sa tambayan po namin yan eh. So, yan po yung, dyan po pine-prepare yung mga pera na for delivery with regard sa mga proponent na kausap ni Boss Henry Alcantara.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng tambayan? Is this within the building of Bulacan First or is it a different area?
No, private resident po siya na nilagyan po ng bilyaran para we can hang out after office hours, ganun po. Within the vicinity of the of our office.
Sino po yung rinenta ba yan o binili o merong may-ari niyan?
Yes po, meron pong alam ko po kaibigan po ni Boss Henry Alcantara ang may-ari niyan.
Alright. Pero hindi po, first, to be clear, hindi po ito sa building ng Bulacan First.
Yes po, hindi po 'yan sa building ng DPWH.
At hindi naman din ho si D. Alcantara ang may-ari, ibang tao.
Hindi po,
Chair.
hindi po si Boss Henry.
Alright.